Hello friends, in my previous video, we learned three forms of indefinite articles, a, in and they. A or an, masculine singular, in or an, feminine singular, they some, masculine or feminine plural. Today, we learn rules of indefinite articles, plural of nouns. So friends, let's start. Rule 1. Generally, S is added to the singular form of noun to change it in plural form, but S is not pronounced. For example, une fleur, des fleurs, un stylo, des stylos, une maison, des maisons. The plural of nouns is formed by adding S, but S is not pronounced. Rule 2. If noun ends with S, X or Z in singular form, it will remain same in the plural form. It do not change in plural. For example, une croix, des croix, un bas, des bas, un nail, des nails. Nouns ending in S, X, Z in the singular form do not change in plural. Rule 3. If noun ends with E, A, U in singular form, we will add X to change it in the plural form. For example, bu, bu, un gâteau, des gâteaux, un cadeau, des cadeaux. Rule 4. The article a, un change into they in plural form. That it this is changed into ce sont, they are in plural form. For example, c'est un livre, ce sont des livres. C'est une gomme, it is an eraser. Ce sont des gommes, these are gums. C'est une fleur, it is a flower. Ce sont des fleurs, these are flowers. Rule 5. Change in pronoun sujet, change in pronoun subject. Singular plural. Je, tu, il, elle. Plural. Nous, vous, ils, elles. In singular, je means I, tu means you, il means he or it, elle means she or it. In plural, nous means we, vous means you elders, ils means they masculine, and elle means they feminine. For example, je suis étudiant, nous sommes étudiants. Tu es indien, you are Indian. Vous êtes indien, you are Indian. Elle est professeur, she is a professor. Elles sont professeurs, they are professor. So, that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.